Hi everyone, welcome to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset Trust Wallet password. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Tap open your Trust Wallet application to get started. If you ever want to log into your Trust Wallet account, you'll need to enter your recovery phrases in order to log in. In case you've forgotten your recovery phrases, then there is no way you'll be able to regain access to your wallet. So in that case, if you ever lose your recovery phrases, you'll need to sign up to a new account all over again. So if you don't want to lose access to your wallet and create a new account all over again, then you must back up your recovery phrases beforehand. Let me show you how you can do it. Inside your Wallet tab, once you're logged into your Trust Wallet account, from the main home page, tap on the Gear button or the Settings button at the bottom right-hand corner. From the Settings menu, tap on Wallets. You'll be able to see your multi-coin wallets displayed on the screen. Tap on the Info button right next to your wallet and tap on Show Secret Phrase. Check on all of these boxes over here and tap Continue. Your secret phrases will be displayed on the screen. Simply write down or copy these words into the correct order and save them somewhere else safe if you don't want to lose access to your wallet. After you've done that, whenever you try to log into your account, you can enter your secret phrases into the text box and the secret phrases acts as your password on your Trust Wallet. Tap on the Import button in order to get access to your wallet. It means as long as you have your backup phrases, you'll be able to recover or reset your account whenever you want. That was how you can reset or recover your Trust Wallet password. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.